This was conceived principally by the Chief of Defence Staff and, of course, the senior hierarchy. We've experienced a lot of conflict in recent times, especially in the last 4 years. I would say there have been a lot of conflicts, including small operation within our country. The idea was that we are learning lessons that are changing the way we are going to fight. And if we have to look in the future, we cannot afford to be learning history lessons and learning to fight yesterday's war. That's not the way we have to prepare for tomorrow. The whole concept behind this get-together, this seminar, is to try and crystal gaze a little bit, look forward into the future, see how technology is impacting warfare, and help us prepare for future wars. The significant thing about this seminar is that it is the practitioners, people like me, who are involved in operations, deeply involved in operations, and other people who have been involved in different facets, the uniformed people. They are the ones who are putting across their views. And we are seeking the participation not just of the uniformed fraternity, but also the veterans, the media, and others who will help us envision how future wars will be fought and how we can harness technology for that. The concept here is that the war is, as an activity, is not just a military concept. Of course, there are people in uniform who are actually at the front lines, who are executing one portion of the war. But wars between nations especially is a whole of nation activity. The economy is affected. There is civil society that is involved. Media is actively involved. Technology is rapidly developing even as the war is progressing, and we've seen this in the case of the Russia-Ukraine war. So it is important that it's not just the military that exercises and plans for war. The whole nation needs to get together to plan and exercise for war, and which is why the concept that we will bring in academia, we'll bring in industry, we'll bring in technical experts, we'll bring in media, and we will form two teams, a red team and a blue team, and they're the ones who are going to fight, and that is how we're going to learn to fight a whole of nation war and not just a purely military conflict.